We get it. Don't let packing up camp ruin your outdoor vibes. Whether you're camping or clearing out house guests, Consumer Reports can help. Here's how to fold your air mattress like a pro. This is Eric Hado. He tests air mattresses for Consumer Reports. He knows you can protect your mattress from damage by resisting the urge to ball it up and throw it in your trunk. Eric says the trick to a perfect pack-up is to remove as much air as you can before even attempting to fold or roll it up. Some mattresses have an air pump that can be reversed to suck the air out. Use it. If your mattress doesn't have a reverse option, be patient. Keep pressing that air out. When your mattress is flat, fold the mattress lengthwise back and forth, kind of like an accordion. The folds can be as narrow or as wide as you like. This action also helps push out any extra air left inside the mattress. Next, starting at the opposite end of the plug, fold about 1.5 feet of the mattress towards the plug end. Continue folding, pressing out any air pockets along the way. For mattresses with more cylindrical-shaped storage bags, roll up the mattress instead of folding. Box it or bag it up and move on. If you're looking for a mattress to take on your next camping trip, CR says opt for a space-saving single-height mattress, rather than a double-height one you might use for house guests. Check to see whether it comes with a storage bag, because that's easier than a box for travel. In our tests, we also weigh each packed-up air mattress so you can get a sense of how much extra weight you'll be carrying. For camping, skip electric pumps and opt for a rechargeable battery-powered one, or a foot pump instead. For more buying tips and access to our exclusive air mattress ratings, go to cr.org/airmattress.